the Tribit Flybuds C1. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the Tribit Flybuds C1. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user guide, USB-C charging cable, and an assortment of ear tips. The FlybBuds C1 features 12 hours of listening time, 50 hours with the case. It takes 1.5 hours to fully charge. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 and the Qualcomm 3040 chipset, AAC, SBC, aptX codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction, button controls, and USB-C for charging. The case is compact and has a matte finish all around, and it's easy to grip. On the top of the lid, you have the branding. And on the front of the case, you have the LEDs and pairing button. On the bottom, you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are held into place by magnets, and it's a bit difficult to remove from the case. It's a little bit of a tight fit. You can see the ear indicators in the corners. The earbuds have a short stem design. It has a matte finish on the inside face with the ear markings, and the outer face has a glossy finish with a red accenting towards the top. The button controls are on the side of the stem. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips, microphones, charging contacts, and button control. Here they are side by side. Playback and call controls are straightforward, a few clicks to get the desired function. The case comes in at 2.5 by 1.1 by 1.8 inches. It weighs in at 39 grams, and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Never understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know where my heart is. I cannot really been addicted to you. All of my attention I've been giving to you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. Caught up in my feelings, I got feelings for you. On my mind, I can't lie. On my mind, I can't lie. Pull you down till you dry. Pull you down till you dry. All the time, ease my mind. All the time, ease my mind. I know that you're dangerous, I'm addicted to you. I might rent the Lambo and go drive it like it's stolen. I've been living.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Tribit Flybuds C1 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone quality was fair. Other callers had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the FlybBuds C1. The earbuds seated well in my ears and they felt secure. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals and they were comfortable. I like the button placement on the side of the stem as it doesn't add pressure in your ear canals. Build and quality is decent, simple case design, and it feels durable. The earbuds have some nice accenting on the outer face. The button controls were responsive and I had no issues navigating. Battery life was respectable, coming in at 12 hours and 50 with the case. I would have liked to seen wireless charging or even active noise cancellation. There was no mention of an IPX rating, so I would not get these exposed to the elements. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it definitely has its presence, just the right amount and not too overwhelming. It's deep and punchy. Mids and highs come in clean and clear, but I would have liked to have seen it turned up just a notch, as it sounds slightly recessed. But other than that, it produces solid, enjoyable sounds, as I tested it through various music genres. Overall, the earbuds have good sounds and they fit well. It does miss out on a few points that I mentioned earlier, and it comes in at a crowded price point. So that is my review of the Tribit Flybuds C1 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.